challenged before an English High Court an arbitration award over a cost recovery dispute in the Western offshore Panamukta and Tapti oil and gas fields of Shell and Reliance Industries Limited. An arbitration tribunal gave favorable award on January 29, 2021. Reliance said in its latest annual report, Reliance and Shell had, through the arbitration, sought raising of the limit of the cost that could be recovered from sale of oil and gas before profits are shared with the government. The award came this year. Both sides filed clarification applications before the tribunal. On April 9, 2021, the tribunal issued its decision on the clarification applications of both the parties. It granted the minor correction requested by the claimants and has rejected all the Government of India clarification requests, it said without giving details. Subsequent to that, the Government of India has challenged the award before the English High Court. It said Reliance and Shell owned BG Exploration and Production India Limited had on December 16 to 2010 dragged the government to arbitration over cost recovery provisions, profit due to the state and amount of statutory dues including royalty payable. The Government of India also raised counterclaims over expenditure incurred, inflated sales, excess cost recovery and short accounting. The three-member arbitration panel headed by Singapore-based lawyers Christopher Lau by majority issued a final partial award on October 12, 2016. It upheld the government view that the profit from the fields should be calculated after deducting the prevailing tax of 33% and not 50% rate that existed earlier. It also upheld that the cost recovery in the contract is fixed at USD 545 million in Tapti gas field and USD 577.5 million in Panamukta oil and gas field. The two firms wanted that cost provision be raised by USD 365 million in Tapti and USD 62.5 million in Panamukta. Royalty, it said, had to be calculated after inclusion of marketing margin charged over and above the well-had price of natural gas. The government used this award to seek USD 3.85 million in dues from Reliance and BGEPIL. The two firms challenged in the 2016 FPA before the English High Court, which on April 16, 2018 remitted one of the challenged issues back to the arbitral tribunal for reconsideration. The arbitral tribunal decided in favor of the claimants in large part, vetoing its final partial award dated October 1, 2018. Gold and claimants filed an appeal before the English Commercial Court against this 2018 FPA. The English Commercial Court rejected Gold's challenge to a 2018 final partial award and upheld claimants' challenge that arbitration tribunal had jurisdiction over the limited issue and remitted the issue back to the arbitration tribunal, the report said. The final award on the issue came this year. It said the government had used the 2016 partial award not just to raise a USD 3.85 billion demand on Reliance and Shell but also sought to block Reliance proposed USD 15 million deal with Saudi Aramco on grounds that the company owed money to it. Following this, the court asked company directors to file affidavits listing assets. Reliance and Shell had countered the government petition in the Delhi High Court, saying that the petition is an abuse of process as no arbitration award has fixed any final liability of dues on the company. GOL has also filed an execution petition before the Delhi High Court seeking enforcement and execution of the 2016 FPA. The annual report said the claimants contend that GOL's execution petition is not maintainable. The government's execution petition is currently sub judice and claimants have also filed an application for recall modification challenging the orders of Delhi High Court, wherein directors were directed to file affidavits of assets. The matter is listed on July 13, 2021 for hearing. It said the Panamukta and Mid and South Tapti are shallow water fields located in the offshore Bombay Basin. Discovered by state-owned oil and natural gas corp, they bid out in 1994 to a consortium comprising of ONGC, Reliance and Enron Oil and Gas India Limited, and in February 2002, British Gas Exploration and Production India Limited acquired Enron's 30% stake in the joint venture. BGEPIL was subsequently taken over by the Shell. The production sharing contract for the field stipulated deducting costs incurred on field operations from oil and gas sold before sharing profit with the government. Disallowing of certain items in the cost would be harmful and cannot be result in a bigger, higher profit petroleum for the government. Reliance and BGPIL sought raising of cost recovery limit through arbitration.